Welcome. In this video, we'll learn a proper way to place the contents from ChatGPT to MS Word with the perfect formatting. We often struggle whenever we try to place the contents from ChatGPT to MS Word. Content formatting always gets disturbed. For example, here I have some contents generated by ChatGPT. This content I want to place in the MS Word. So I'll just copy and paste here. As can be seen that formatting is disturbed. Whole content I can copy from here. Even it will not work, as can be seen. There is one simple way to place the contents with perfect formatting. Just go to Google and type beep sheet. Open the first link. Here we have two options, massive mark and massive ref. We need to use this one. Either we can open this from here or from here. Click at this icon. Go to ChatGPT. Copy the content. And paste here. Insert. We can see that formatting is perfect. We can save this on this website and we can use this later. We can download as PDF and as docs. Now it's coming with perfect formatting. So it's a very simple trick that can be used. That's all. Thanks for watching.